Today we're heading down to the Lake District, one of the most beautiful and dangerous spots in the UK, and we're doing it with a twist. It's me, Dave, John. We got a race to see who gets to Lake District first to see Steve, who's bought my old Audi S4 and spent £10,000 worth of upgrade. But it's not about who gets there first. Dave and Jay will be taking the East Coast route while I'll be going West Coast. The distance is roughly the same. We each have to complete 10 challenges along the way. They'll test our speed, creativity and maybe even our insanity. The goal, make it to the destination before sunset and rack up as many points as possible. The person with the lowest score by the end has to jump into an ice cold pool. No excuses, no backing out. They think they got crazy horsepower German cars, but I'm going to sabotage this because they think my Honda Civic is stock, but in fact it's actually boosted, which produces 500 brake horsepower. I will also use the sheep to create a diversion so they don't get past me. So I've got the FN2, he's got the crazy brand spanking Merc, and he's got the old hybrid diesel power. Who's gonna win it? We're gonna find out starting from now. Okay, I gotta beat them. Oh my god, they're already driving off. I'm the last one to leave. Let's go. Let's hope that we win this race together, and through the video we gotta complete all those tasks. If we don't complete them, we don't win it. Buckle up boys, this is gonna be a mad one. Let's go. Bye. Bye Dave. As you guys already know, my boosted F2 can take on supercars, so there's no way I'm losing. I'm just gonna keep boosting. There's Drake. Can he beat us to Lake District? I was absolutely giving it the beans, flying down the motorway, and for a moment I honestly thought I was winning, but then out of nowhere traffic and all the brake lights lit right in front of me. Did I slow down? No chance. I started weaving out of the lanes because there's one pedal I refused to touch, the brakes. Meanwhile on the map things looked strong at the start. I had the lead, but now Jay's storming ahead. Dave's right on his bumper and suddenly the chase is on. We must beat the traffic. Oh, you keep going, go on son. We seem pleased, so we have to be a bit careful. That's the reason why. Anything can happen at any given moment. This challenge is no joke. These guys are going quick, like really quick. Is that what it feels like to go that quick? Whoa, 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 whoa. This is the quickest I've ever been in this car. We gotta make sure that Jay and Dave don't get there first. Let's keep pushing. I've now got my first challenge. I have to find someone random, race them and win. Bear in mind this is a rare 3.2 V6. Have I got enough to beat it? Let's find out. Dave and Jay have also completed their challenge as well. So let's keep pushing guys, let's go. Dave has reported that he's in Kendal in the last 5 minutes. He's probably 24 miles behind us. But as for Jay, we don't know where he is. His phone's switched off. We don't know what he's pulling on. Let's get to the destination. Whoa, whoa. No matter how hard I push, the road's full of sharp bends, steep slopes and blind corners everywhere. Nice tight. Jeez, now it's time for the next objective on the list. Yes, I finally managed to find a spot for breakfast. First food Lake District. I had to be really quick because time's running out. And a veg sausage, don't worry, keep it halal. That is beautiful. Now it's time to move on to the next objective. My favourite one, touching Highland cows. We have to touch one in order to complete that list. Dave and Jay have already snapped their selfies, so yeah, the pressure's on. I was pushing the boosted Civic to its absolute limit, and honestly it's proving to be the ultimate all-rounder for this challenge. I'll never understand how people hate the FN2 Civic, especially when it can do this. This K20 has hit 77,777 miles, so that is an accomplishment today. You see them? And we found some cows that we can touch. Gotta hit this objective and finish off the sheep. I think I need to give him some grass. Done it guys. Let's go. Now it's time to move on to the next objective. We need to slap a sheep butt today. So this is my objective of touching the sheep. I can't get it. I can't get the sheep. Oh my god, Dave's gonna overtake me. I'm not gonna do this objective at all. I can't do it. Oh, there's Dave. Oh no. I can't. You're not going past me! I'm out of breath. Wow. It's like being in a movie right now. And genuinely, I tried my best. I wasn't doing for the video. And I was so close, but they seem to like know where to like run. Look at the view on the right, guys. It's absolutely insane. I couldn't let Dave catch up, so I sabotaged him with sheep. Like him, I can touch it. Wait, I can do it.
Where it all is? It's an all. You know where it is?
Exactly, he didn't give any answers. And what happened next was pure chance. The next challenge popped up, getting 3 people to honk. Honk your honky horn! Come on, take care, yeah? In a bit. We'll do it, man, we'll do it, man. Oh man, you good, yeah? Honk your horn! Yeah! Honk your horn, honk your horn! Yes, 2, 1 more, 3 out of 3. Honk your horn! Yes! We've done it! 3 honks! I can't believe it, we've already smashed 4 challenges. We're actually gonna win this. We didn't even need to try. So at this point we figured out the special route Dave took, the A591. It puts him right behind me and Jay. Where are you? It seems like he is somewhere across the other side of Lake District, but there's only one way to find out towards the end of the video. We've got to keep smashing through these challenges because I really don't want to lose. But in that moment, something serious has happened to the boosted Civic Type-R and it's not looking good. The car is misfiring and I don't know what happened then. Basically, something's wrong with the FN2 and the car goes into limp mode when I go in boost. And I don't know what the issue is. I don't have any tool. I don't have a diagnostic. I do have this, Carly. So I'm going to install this on the car and that's going to hopefully sort the issue out. Plug this in. So it's going to connect right now, so give me a bit of a moment. So during the diagnostics, we actually found an air leak coming from the vacuum lines. But here's the best part. With Carly, it was able to communicate directly with the ECU, delete the error code, reconfigure itself so the car didn't go into limp mode. Now, I know what you're thinking, is that safe? Well, Carly has a feature called Smart Mechanic. You can literally ask it questions about the issue and it gives you the professional guidance. I asked if it was safe to keep driving for the rest of the journey and it confirmed that it was. How amazing is that? It also has a battery checker and in this case it said my battery was very bad. I guess when I get home I'm gonna have to pick up a new battery. And besides diagnostics, Carly also unlocks coding features. With coding you could personalize your car and activate hidden features that dealership would normally charge you a lot for. With BMW, Audis, Seats, all your typical German cars, you can customize the window actions when doors open, mirror tilt in reverse, comfort folding for side mirrors, interior lighting timers, daytime running lights options. The possibilities are endless and honestly it's one of the most impressive parts of Carly for me. I'm gonna start the car. There's no engine light, the car is sorted. I can't believe that little Carly thing has solved the issue. If you're in a situation like this and you're stuck out of the middle of nowhere, grab yourself a Carly, use a discount code right here and you can grab yourself a Carly and fix your car there and then. Delete the codes and you're sorted. Now we can carry on with the challenge. No way. Let's go, man. The car is definitely running rich. Now it's time for the next objective. We need to go to 3 lakes of Lake District. So I quickly went to the first lake, which is Loweswater. Time to move on to the next one. And the second one apparently is one of the most popular lakes in Lake District. And we have to do it. It's literally beyond those mountains. Whoa, whoa. We're literally driving around that. This is it. Cronach Water. Whoa. Oh, black sheep. Hey, hey. Oh my god, he's got poo dangling. This is Cronach Lake. This is it. Come on, just look at that. This challenge has been the most dangerous and beautiful, but the roads keep getting worse, tighter, riskier and closer calls. This is so sketchy, guys. Like one hit and we're gone. Oh my. At one point, our coach nearly crushed us. I'll make it. We've already seen cars go straight through the fences. Someone's crashed. This is definitely not for the faint-hearted, but we still need to complete the final lake. On the way we spotted a chance to climb a hill over 1500 feet, so we grabbed it. Where on earth is Jay? Let's move on. Whew. It's just non-stop running, this whole video is about. We're literally vertical right now, guys. Smack bang center in between all the mountains. A full circle. We're not at the highest point yet. And whilst I was filming, you will never believe what happens next. Go on, keep pushing, keep pushing. We're catching up. That's right, Dave. He's been following me the whole time and I didn't even know. Still no Jay. Come on, puppy, you can do it too. Come on, let's go. Time tired? FN2 tripod's down there. You guys can see it right there. And right down there on the right side is the waterfall. There. Before we hit the final lake, there's one more stop. We've got to reach the tallest waterfall. Let's go. On the way, I suddenly remembered I never completed Touch a Sheep challenge, and without that, I'd automatically lose everything, even if I came first, so this one's a must. I failed miserably again, so I switched to another challenge, grabbing something from the infamous Buttermere shop. Gotta say, it was delicious. Right next to me over there is the tallest waterfall in Lake District. Here we are. We're gonna make it to the top. Let's go! Go on, Dave! We're about halfway up the tallest waterfall of Lake District. We're gonna keep pushing. Come on, Dave. Come on. Don't quit. Let's go. David's looking absolutely madness right now, that is. It's so tall, but we're so close to the top. Look! Just a handspan away. Just look how far down it is. But we're not at the top yet. So let's keep pushing, guys! Come on! Oh, I'm there, don't you worry. Watch it, Dave, jeez. We have made it to the highest point of the waterfall of Lake District. And I'll show you guys the other side. It's gonna be breathtaking. This is like stacking 726 skylines wheel to roof, one on top of each other. So all I want to say is, don't stop chasing your dream, guys. Anything's possible. Biggest waterfall in Lake District. Come on! The name of the goal was to have a drink. So here we are. That tastes great. Better than Bolvik. It's time to move on to the next challenge. We have finally made it to Buttermere Lake. That challenge is now ticked. Let's keep it moving, guys. Now it's time for the final challenge, Era Force, the infamous selfie at the 70-foot drop, and then the final race to the clock tower. At this point, we still haven't managed to locate where Jay is. Okay, so it's been about literally a 1 mile walk through the forest. It's turning cars to like survival journey now. It's literally mad. This is something I haven't prepared for. I'm actually afraid of heights, but we are gonna make it. This is mad. Nobody, not even me, expected this. This final challenge has unfolded in ways I could never imagine. Here we are completing the final task before the final showdown. With all the challenges completed, it's time to head to the clock tower and crown the winner. David's taken the motorway while I've chosen the B road. As for Jay, radio silent. We don't know if it's broken down or if it's already there. Either way, we can't waste a second. This is the final push. I know Dave ain't catching up. Oh no, I'm blocked. Come on, man, we need to get to the clock tower. Oh no, there's been an issue. Literally almost head on. No. Thanks, man. Thank you, finally. Now I can go.
We was in front. We're in the Lake District. But where in the Lake District? Sat nav is nav sat.
Okay, we may have some good news because we're literally colliding. Me and Dave fighting for second place. Come on! The car is misfiring and I don't know what happened then. The car is definitely running rich.
I think we're in front. Are we in front? Rogers.
Is that the clock tower? That's the clock tower. Is Jay here yet? Ah, Dave made it, man. Dave, where's Jay? I thought he would have made it. we lost the clock tower.
Do you want to make out?
Ah.
It's only German that ended up making it. Can we smell that?
Nah, I'll happily take that out, Dave. You beat me to the clock tower. I'm last. I'll take the hairy chest. I'm not allowed to park up. Did you go the sheep way?
Oh, that one.
Wait, bro, this close to sheep we were.
I was going.
Yeah, the roads were mad. You see,
I was in third and fourth, but when I say third and fourth, when I touched in them, I was like, it looked like it was straight, but it kind of went.
yeah, oh man, they were dodgy, you know, the roads were. Yeah, he went the long way, but he still got there.
Theoretically.
You still went first.
I
You won. Drove
I
fast.
drove.
I'll give you credit. He's won the clock tower, but I was last.
The clock tower challenge I won.
It felt like Need for Speed.
Couldn't get no signal on my phone. As soon as you got a signal and it says, give me the directions, I said, bye to you.
Bye.
Oh, get
I was like, where the hell is he gone? Where's he gone? Guys, I lost the challenge and now it's time for the punishment. Alright guys, let's make it. This is what the objective is about. Come on! 3, 2, 1. After all the challenges, the chaos, the highs and lows, it all comes down to this one moment. Re-seeing the Audi S4 we built on this channel, the car that took blood, sweat and tears, wins and fails, and every one of you supported the journey. That S4 wasn't just a car, it was a project that we lived through together, and now Steve's going to show us what he's done with it in the past few months. He spent a huge fortune transforming it for the grand reveal, for the journey of the Audi S4. Here it is, guys. Steve is here. Whoa. Wow. Come on. What? That is mad. Yeah. Oh, he's done the purple. He's done the calipers purple. Steve. Oh my God, I got a coffee in my hand. Just like always. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you very much, man. Wow. Steve, man. Come on, rep it. Look at the size of that. Look how shiny it is. It's not even the same car, is it? Steve, what have you done? Wow. Keyring is still there? Come on, man. Oh my God. It's not even the same car anymore. He's even done the calipers as well. Look at that. Ah, Steve, can I buy the car back? Oh my. The whole chair is completely changed. It's like RS. It's Alcantara seats. Wow. Jeez. Starlights are still there. Oh my God, look at the purple theme. Guys. Oh, this is the best car ever. I drove all the way to Lake District and we finally made it to see the Audi S4 again, guys. Beyond shocked with how it looks. Sick. Gee. That's how it's supposed to be done. You love purple, don't you? S4 on the calipers? You gotta give me a breakdown now on this car, like what you've done.
Yeah, new lights as well.
You've done the whole base of the car, new rims, rear lights,
2 new wings.
2 new wings. Just out of curiosity, I want to know the paint job. How much did that set you back? Just the paint job alone. You gotta tell us, because the paint job is mad. 4 grand in total.
That's what you asked for.
That's literally what you said though. You said that though. But that is well worth it though. I think my favourite is just the theme of going purple with this theme. Ooh. She's still alive. Come on, man. You're gonna wake the Lake District neighbours? Steve has absolutely transformed this beast. This has made my day today in this video, and I'm so glad that you guys are here to witness the journey. If you want to see me drive this car, let me know. Smash that like button. 1,000 miles apart, we're gonna be seeing this car again sometime soon. I just thought this is the reveal of the Audi S4, behind the scenes of Steve McRoberts spending over £10,000 to show me what he's done and to show you guys the reveal of the Audi S4. And it lives on way better than I expected. It's a style of its own, it's a league on its own. I've never seen the Audi S4 at this level anywhere around the world. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash that like button, drop a comment down below what you guys think. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.